What if I told you that something as simple as getting out of bed could put you and your baby at risk? For pregnant women, this everyday habit can lead to dizziness, falls, or even fainting. Today I will show you the number one mistake to avoid and the simple fix to keep you and your baby safe. During pregnancy, your body goes through incredible changes to support your growing baby. Your blood volume increases, your heart rate goes up, and your blood vessels widen. These changes are amazing, but they can also make you more prone to dizziness when you stand up too quickly. After laying down for hours, your blood pressure naturally drops. When you stand up suddenly, gravity pulls blood towards your legs, and your brain gets less oxygen for a moment. This can make you feel dizzy or even cause you to faint. And for pregnant women, it is even worse because your growing uterus presses on your major blood vessels, slowing down circulation. It's just harder for everything to flow smoothly. But don't worry, there is a simple way to avoid it. Here is the fix. Take it slow. When you wake up, don't jump out of the bed right away. Instead, start slowly. First, lie still for a moment. Take a few deep breaths to wake up your body gently. Next, roll on your side and use your arms to push yourself up into a sitting position. Sit there for a minute, let your body catch up. Then place your feet flat on the floor and stand up slowly. If you need to, hold onto the bed or a chair to support you. Finally, before you start walking, take a second to make sure you feel steady. It is such a small change, but it can make a huge difference for you and your baby. If this video helped you, share it with a fellow mom-to-be who might need this tip. And if you have ever experienced dizziness during your pregnancy, share your story in the comments below. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week.